Hello guys, how are you guys? Today I'm going to show you something guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I was playing disco beats. I was very broke guys. I was very broke. Like I was just playing with 36 cent and I got a grand with 36 cent. That moment it was so good when I win it. I never win a grand, by the way, on I don't know if I should call it it's a grand. I don't know if I should call it a jackpot. So I want you guys to see it here. Now I'm gonna start playing it and I hope you enjoy. And if you are a new member in this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and support me. And thank you guys. And I'm going to come back fully. I'm going to be full in these games. Everything we are going to do it. Everything is going to go to the normal. So guys, please be patient with me. I'm fixing some things that I'm fixing. I'm gonna be back and you are going to enjoy this video. Let me hit the button. I got a free spins and start 1 to 28. Okay. Yeah. Oh no. Grand. This is a grand in the This is what so nice. Center. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video.